Oh shit, there go that Shelby right there. Yo, this shit is clean though. See, I like Mustangs when they just sitting still. You feel me? Only Mustang I trust is that dude like in California. They be going to like the takeovers and shit. This is the one we seen, right? This is the one I was, yeah. I see that crew a lot though. Like last time, yo, it was like, hold up, when you come, is it like hard to find parking, or is it always like this?
That's it.
Is that his car?
Huh?
Is that his car? Yeah, that is his car. His car like running. That shit sounds great. Excuse me. Are you in the car? Hello? Oh look, there goes scuba diving. I'm about to give me some stuff.
They got JDM squash set.
Gracias, such a nice young man. These niggas got bikes in here and shit. What the fuck? Hola, hello. Oh, look at that. What's that? What's that say on there? What brand is that?
Honda.
Can you speak that again?
Honda.
Honda gang. There we go.
I knew it was a Honda when I.
She's sexy Latino man. Hey, so
Don't be weird.
you're an Aquarius. We are nothing alike. Something's coming. I'm just trying to get it on video. Oh, you know what? Fuck you. This guy right here, this one, he was gonna let me get attacked by some crazy person.
No, I was not.
This girl was attacking things, freaking out in there, and he's gonna sit up there and let me walk right past her. Look, he don't care.
Don't believe what word she said.
I was gonna stand by him because he got muscles, but he don't care.
Oh yeah, I don't got muscles either. Come on
His
now.
hands is bigger.
That's what she said.
We should have went to Hunt Valley yesterday.
Yeah.
You know he's been attacked before.
What?
My manager's been attacked before. Cause like he was touching some. Anyway, he was like touching some girl. He kept calling the girl baby. She was like 15, 16. And the father kept telling him like stop calling her that. Like she's like too young. So like he didn't listen. He came in. He tried to pick up something. He like tried to attack the manager. I'm like, after all this, you still didn't learn that calling underage girls or touching underage girls is wrong. Now how do you not know these things? What that VTech? I know. Talking about the wide body?
No, I was talking about the beetle.
That's what you. Oh, that boxer beetle. That's what I thought it was too. But he's not gonna do it with that cop dude. These assholes gonna fuck it up. That's it. Is that who it is? Your car's slow! VTech! What's up, bro?
Oh, this side of town, I forget to come out.
Hey, we can do
We would have been here, but he's slow.
What?
We would have been here, but he overslept and he's slow.
I overslept. I'm sorry. I had my alarm set to
This fool had me waiting an hour, bro.
I literally just woke up like less than an hour ago, right? Less than an hour ago.
Get tags, they might kill us. They the new Mustangs.
Oh, that's Ross.
That's Ross, yeah.
Oh, he's safe. He's a safe one. I don't trust Mopars no more.
What?
After that.
Him and his boys did.
Anybody know who this dude is? The red D-rag. Like I know this guy. Like I know his face. Like I've seen this guy. You just gonna go? Okay. But I know this guy. Oh, he's motherfuckers. But I know this guy. It's about to start it. It's all about M3, baby. Just here. Where? I want an M3, E92 M3. That's all I care about.
What, the 2002?
Nuh-uh, the newer ones.
These guys really put on the side of the road across the street.
2002.
Here, don't mind me.
What?
Car.
Hey, I wasn't talking about this, I was talking about the event.
They just did like a video on that
Hey, I
car.
was trying to take up 2 parking spaces, but they ain't have both.
What the fuck? Don't mind me. It's just a camera, nothing new.
I'm seriously gonna look at that story that
Can I interview you? Can I have you on my channel? We help the community.
Oh, that guy was looking at that beaver. Looking at that beaver. He was looking at that one.
Yo, non-car people are like funny, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Quilling, wherever your name is. Oh, oh. That sounds familiar. Probably. Fucking asshole. Jesus Christ! That car is the sexiest. Check it out. Bye. You want to make some money? Come to my neighborhood 2 o'clock in the morning. $50. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. You got muscle. Who are you? Where'd the other car go? It's clickbait. I like those wheels though.
Yeah.
Hold on, was that the guy that was at Clean Culture, right?
I wasn't at Clean Culture.
That wasn't you?
Remember you said that you saw him? No, that was a different friend of mine. Oh, there goes Shelby.
I'ma fuck you up. Stop wiping your nose, snap boy.
Who?
That guy in the Shelby. Snap boy.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.